Hello everyone, I'm Hemant Reddy Srirangam. I'm from Group 11. Today I'm going to present a topic on K-means clustering. Clustering. Firstly, we will know about clustering. It is a task of grouping a set of objects in such a way that objects in the same group are more similar to each other than those two in other groups. Methods of clustering. We use different methods in clustering. Those are distributed based method, centroid based method, connectivity based method, density based method, and subspace clustering. K-means algorithm comes under centroid based method. Now what is K-means clustering? K-means clustering algorithm is an algorithm to cluster n objects based on attributes into k partitions, where k is less than n. It is similar to the expectation maximization algorithm for mixtures of Gaussians in that both of them attempt to find the centers of natural clusters in the data. It assumes that the object attributes from a vector space. K-means algorithm. Step 1. First we need to specify the number of clusters, k. Those need to be generated by this algorithm. Step 2. Now randomly select k data points and assign each data point to a cluster. That is classifying the data based on the number of data points. Step 3. Now it will compute the cluster centroids. Final step. Keep iterating the following until we find optimal centroid, which is the assignment of data points to the clusters that are not changing anymore. Now have a look at the flowchart of this algorithm. From start to number of clusters k, number of iterations, initialization of centroid, distance objects to centroid, grouping based on minimum distance, no object move group. If it is a positive result, it goes for calculation of cluster validation index and then end of iteration. If it is a negative result there, it goes back to the initialization of centroid and repeats the same steps, or else it will end the algorithm. Now we'll have a look at advantages and disadvantages of K-means algorithm. Advantages. K-means algorithm is fast and robust, easier to understand, relatively efficient, gives the best result when data sets are distinct. Disadvantages. Randomly choosing of the clusters cannot lead us to the fruitful result. Applicable only when mean is defined, unable to handle noisy data and outliers. Here I have a question for you guys. Under which clustering methods does the K-means clustering come? Centroid based clustering method. Thank you.